Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Bareilly? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Bareilly. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Wisdom Classes for NEET Coaching. The address of Wisdom Classes is opposite MJP, Rohilkhand University Main Gate, Pashupati Vihar Colony, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243006. Their contact number is 9717789009. Okay, now let us talk about the website and the institute. The website of the institute is www.wisdomedu.com, and now let us move towards the institute. So friends, the chairman and managing director of Wisdom Educare is Mr. CPS Shishodia. The institute is considered as the best NEET coaching institute in Bareilly. Wisdom Educare Institute offers the best coaching for NEET preparation, and also in Wisdom faculty members are highly trained and qualified. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Ashram Career Institute. The address of Ashram Career Institute is first floor City Plaza above Axis Bank, Deen Dayalpuram, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243122. Their contact number is 09927031410. Alright, the website of the institute is www.ashram.in about.php. Alright friends, so friends, the Ashram Career Center is one of the best NEET coaching institutes in Bareilly. The institute offers courses like IIT, JEE, NEET, PMT and other prestigious examinations with a top ranked faculty. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Akash Institute Bareilly Center. The address of Akash Institute in Bareilly is 3rd floor Ratandeep Complex, Chowki Choraha, Civil Lines, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243001. Their contact number is 09997690099. The website of the institute is www.akash.ac.in. So now let us talk about the institute. This institute was started in the year 1988. Akash Institute's infrastructure is highly equipped with air-conditioned classrooms, and it is regarded as the best NEET coaching institutes in Bareilly. NEET is one of the toughest exams which is faced by the students, and this institute provides the best coaching for clearing this entrance examination with proper guidance. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Bareilly. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.